getting ready to paint the air injection tubes for Ford Galaxie. Just gonna hit them with some cast iron just to cover up the rust and crud and nasty. But you can tell last time the heads were off. Nobody actually spent the time to pull these, and they painted it when they painted the engine when it was rebuilt with Chrysler blue. So we're gonna resolve that problem. Right, so we'll put some oil in. Hot Rod and Classic High Zinc Lucas. We'll prime it later. Got our oil adapter all detailed with the new hardware. It's proper color. We're gonna put our sending unit, a filter on there, so that's done. And then we're gonna get our air injection tubes in because they're all outside and they're painted. Right. Filter, sending unit, looking good. Now if we break this in, I will put another filter on and it will have the correct markings. It'll be a Motorcraft FL1A, just like that, but it'll have the correct markings for the period. Just decal, looks good, adds a little pizzazz. Yeah, I guess coming up is gonna be air injection tubes. All right, so putting the air injection tubes in, obviously you wanna make sure you start all of them first before you start running stuff down, because you will bend things, cock things, get things out of alignment. But I use a line wrench, so I can't round this stuff off. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. There you go. Okay, go. Come on. Here we go. And then you just gotta work it. Just takes a little while. So doing things detailed and doing things right and actually having these on here, whereas a lot of people would just put plugs in this and get rid of all the stuff, you know, like the smog pump and all that. That's a bad idea. It only takes a little bit more time to do it right. And it also teaches like patience. Teaches your customers that, hey, if you want the details, you want it as it was, you want it not hacked, it's gonna take a little more time. And it's gonna cost a little bit, but you're gonna get what you pay for in this. But this car we want perfect, or as close to it as we can get. But look at that.